Welcome and thank you for choosing the COVID Home Collection Kit by LifeLabs. This kit can be used for children 5 years of age and older. Once you've received the child's kit, sanitize your hands, then open the box and empty the contents, following the items on the box flap to make sure your kit is complete. Your kit will contain a nasal swab, tube, biohazard bag, foil pouch, tamper-proof label, specimen label, absorbent strip, a blank requisition, and prepaid return shipping label and bag. You may notice that the foil pouch contains a temperature indicator inside when the collection is occurring in the winter months. Please do not remove. Your kit ID found on the side of your kit will be needed for registering online. Do not put the kit under direct sunlight or open the swab wrapper or tube cap until you are ready to test. If your kit is incomplete, please visit lifelabs.com/COVIDkit for assistance. Read the collection instructions to familiarize yourself with the collection procedure. Once you have checked the kit contents, please put all of the items back into the box until the time of your scheduled appointment. Before your appointment, please make sure to have a pen and hand sanitizer or a hand washing station nearby. You may also want to have tissues and a mirror to help with the collection. If you have access to a printer, please print the requisition form, otherwise you will need to fill in the blank requisition that was included in your kit. When your appointment starts, make sure you have your camera ready. Our collection coach will then verify the child's ID. Please have the government-issued ID that you used for registration ready. You will then be asked to sanitize your hands and the child's hands before being instructed to open the box. Empty the kit in a clean area and on a flat surface. Once emptied, fold the inner flap back into the box, which can act as a phone stand and later a tube stand. Fill in the specimen label with the child's name, date of birth, and date and time of collection. The collection coach will then ask you to show the label to verify that the information matches the requisition. Attach the label to the tube, being careful not to cover the barcode. Then, unscrew the cap of the tube, placing it right side up and placing the tube on a flat surface or in the designated portion of the kit. Then unwrap the swab slowly by pulling the wrapping at the non-bristled end. Halfway you'll see a faint line on the swab. Pinch it to remove the swab and discard the wrapper. Instruct the child to open their mouth. Insert the swab between their cheek and lower gums and rotate the swab 3 times to ensure the swab is moistened. Be careful not to touch any other surface which could contaminate the sample. Then repeat on the other side of the mouth. Instruct the child to slightly lift their chin. Insert the swab tip 1 centimeter or half an inch inside your child's nostril. Rotate the swab firmly around the inner surfaces of the nostril for 15 seconds in one nostril and then repeat with the other. Then insert the bristled portion of the swab into the tube up to the score line and snap it off. Discard the swab handle in your hand. Securely tighten the cap onto the tube. Place the tube in a biohazard bag along with an absorbent strip and seal the bag. On the requisition form, fill in the date and time of collection and your initials in the space provided. Fold your requisition and place it in the outer pocket of the biohazard bag. Then, place the biohazard bag into the foil pouch. Place the pouch in the kit box and seal it with the tamper-proof tape. Put the box into the courier bag and affix a pre-printed label. Sanitize your hands. As soon as your sample has been collected and packaged, call FedEx at 1-800-GO-FedEx to arrange for the sample to be picked up. Pickup timing is very important for test accuracy, and your home collection kit cannot be dropped off at a FedEx location or Dropbox. Once your scheduled pickup arrives, give your kit to the FedEx agent. Thank you for choosing LifeLabs. We're happy to serve you.